Today, I'll show you how to read PDFs in dark mode in the Preview app on macOS Tahoe with just one click, no third-party apps needed. To begin, right-click on your PDF file and choose Open with Preview. Once your PDF opens in Preview, click the View menu at the top and select Use Dark Appearance for PDF. That's it. Your PDF is now displayed in dark mode, making it much easier to read and reducing eye strain, especially at night. If the text in your PDF looks too small, use the zoom in button to increase the font size and improve readability. To learn how to add images to a PDF, watch this video. To stop data leaks on your Mac, watch this video. Access the links in the description box by clicking on More. If you are looking for free Mac apps to secure and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.